Tweety bird, it's your first Christmas. It's Tweety bird's first Christmas. What do you want for Christmas, Tweety? Do you want birdseed? Do you want millet? Tweety, Tweety bird, show the people your pretty face. Show the people. Yeah, say hi from Tweety. Merry Christmas to Tweets and a Happy New Year. My mama loves Tweety. Mama loves Tweety. Mama loves Tweety. Yeah, Mama loves you. Yeah, I do. Yes, Mama loves Tweety. Pretty boy. That's my pretty bird. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Tweety. Tweedly.